This is DjAirWax with infamous foreign sounds. I'm going to demonstrate the Akai MPC Touch in the Native Instrument Machine Studio. So I already picked out some sounds and I made some patterns, which I'm going to show you guys step by step what I did here. Starting off with the Akai. Now, of course I made the pattern by playing it on the pads. The only way to get that beautiful pattern in. But the drag and drop features, and I did this after I exploded the tracks from the group into individual tracks. So right here we got our track kit, and just click on that, drag it and drop it over there. Do the same thing with your snare. Click on here, drag it and drop it over there, bam. And so on and so forth all the way up. Go over to Machine, do the same thing, get your pattern, drag it over, drop it, bam. Very easy. Studio 1, play the beat. And yeah, that's your little demonstration, folks. Don't want to take up too much of your time. Just wanted to show you a little quick demonstration with the MPC Touch. Beautiful little thing made by Akai in the MPC Studio. Ain't really going to demonstrate. There's lots out there on the internet for you guys to go over. My battery's dying, so I got to get off. So, that being said, play that beat for you one more time. So yeah, there's my little demonstration of the MPC Touch and the Studio. Studio 1.3, now that's a remix and that's a workflow. So thanks for joining in. This is DjAirWax, infamous foreign sounds. We'll see you later, guys.